Hi everyone, this is Josh and welcome to Learn Random. Today, we're going to study running discussions effectively. What makes a discussion effective? An effective discussion generally has a number of elements. All members of the group have a chance to speak, expressing their own ideas and feelings without hesitation. Here are some expressions that you can use in opening ideas. You can say, in my opinion, from my point of view, I would say that, I think that, for example, in my opinion, cats are better than dogs because cats are smarter and more independent. Here are some expressions that you can use in agreeing to ideas. You can say, I agree with you. I agree with him. I agree with her. I really think so. Absolutely right. It's true. On the other hand, here are some expressions that you can use in disagreeing to ideas. You can say, I don't agree with you. I don't agree with her. I don't think so. That's not quite right. I'm afraid that's not. Moreover, before you disagree and give your own opinion, it is good to acknowledge first the opinion of others. So here are some expressions that you can use to acknowledge them. You can say, I understand your point, but you have a good idea, but that's a good one, but I like that one, but for example, you have a good idea about cats, but dogs can safeguard your properties unlike cats that sleep all the time. And that would be all for running discussions effectively. If you want to learn more about business English, TOEIC, IELTS, or random topics, don't forget to catch our next video. This is Learn Random, and it's cool to know more. See you around!